open the door. You can move my levers up and down. You can even turn my cab around. Woohoo! I'm an excavator, a dig, dig, dig. I'm an excavator, a dig, dig, dig. I'm an excavator, tough and strong. I have an arm that's long, long, long. I can dig a hole that's very big. I'm an excavator, a dig, dig, dig. I'm an excavator, a dig, dig, dig. Three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry.
Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost.
What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie.
Meow, 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 we shall have no pie.
Three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry.
Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost.
What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie.
Meow, 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 we shall have no pie.
Three little kittens, they lost their mittens and they began to cry.
Oh, mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost.
What? Lost your mittens, you naughty kittens, then you shall have no pie.
Meow, 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 we shall have no pie.
The three little kittens, they found their mittens lying on the road.
Oh, mother dear, see here, our mittens we have found.
What? Put on your mittens, you silly kittens, and you shall have some pie.
Meow, 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 let us have some pie. I am learning to get dressed. I'm learning what to do. This is how I put on my top. This is how I pull on my trousers. This is how I pull up my socks. This is how I slip on my shoes. Let's learn how to get dressed. Let's learn just what to do. Oh? I am learning to get dressed. I'm learning what to do. This is how I put on my t-shirt. This is how I pull on my skirt. This is how I pull up my socks. This is how I slip on my shoes. Now I learned how to get dressed. I know just what to do.
Incy Wincy Spider climbed up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the
fun. Splish, splash, sploshing with his wellies on. Jumping in the rain goes drippy, drippy, drop. Jumping in the mud goes squelch, squelch, plop. Itsy and his friend went splish and splash and splosh. Itsy brought a soap and gave himself a wash. Itsy loved the puddles, splishy, splashy sound. Itsy loved the puddles and jumping all around. Itsy Wincy Spider, having jumpy fun. Splish, splash, sploshing with his wellies on. Jumping in the rain goes drippy, drippy, drop. Jumping in the mud goes squelch, squelch, plop.
Mix it, fix it, off we go. Lift it, load it, oh ho ho. We know how to do it right down at the building site. Let's make cement, let's build these bricks. A cement mixer loves to mix. Turning, turning all day long. Cement to help our walls stand strong. Let's dig a hole, let's make it big. An excavator loves to dig deep, deep down into the ground. You're the coolest thing around. Mix it, fix it, off we go. Lift it, load it, oh ho ho. We know how to do it right down at the building site. Let's clear this path, let's move this rock. Go bulldozer, no time to stop. With a huff and a push and a heave and hoe. Shoveling rubble as you go. Mix it, fix it, off we go.
Mix it, fix it, off we go.
Mix it, fix it, off we go. Mix it, fix it, off we go. Lift it, load it, oh ho ho. We know how to do it right down at the building site.
Once upon a fairy tale, magic stories everywhere. Let's explore this happy land, all together hand in hand. Gingerbread man, come and play, come and play. Running through the forest, hide and seek. Puss in boots, where are you? Where are you? Looking for adventure, off we go. Once upon a fairy tale, magic stories we can tell. Let's explore this happy land, all together hand in hand. Ugly duckling, don't be shy, don't be shy. Would you like to play? Would you like to play? We'll have fun. Giant beanstalk, up we go, climbing up the branches, takes us home. Once upon a fairy tale, magic stories everywhere. Wave goodbye to our new friends, soon we will be back again.
1, 2, 3.
We're going on an egg hunt, going on an egg hunt. We're gonna fill our baskets, we're gonna fill our baskets. Those eggs are small, those eggs are small. We're gonna have to crawl, we're gonna have to crawl. Crawl, 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 crawl. We're going on an egg hunt, going on an egg hunt. We're gonna fill our basket, we're gonna fill our baskets with eggs tied in a bow. With eggs tied in a bow, where pretty flowers grow, where pretty flowers grow. Swish, 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 swish. We're going on an egg hunt, we're going on an egg hunt. We're gonna fill our baskets, gonna fill our baskets with eggs that are so huge, with eggs that are so huge. You won't believe your eyes, inside a big surprise. Wow! Yay! Wow! Oh yay! Let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside. Crack! 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 We went on an egg hunt. We went on an egg hunt. And we found a big one. And we found a big one. And lots of little ones. And lots of little ones. So tasty and so sweet. It's such a lovely treat. Ones too, but the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, wibble wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Back from the river they would come, wibble wobble ho hum hum. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. We're going on a journey. Can you guess where to? We're off on a journey. Gonna take a long time. So sit back and get comfy and sing this little rhyme. Are we nearly there yet?
No.
Will we get there soon? No. Are we nearly there yet?
No.
Come on now, let's zoom.
little baby, don't you cry. I'll sing you an ocean lullaby. Snuggle down and lay your head. See horses play on the seabed. And underneath the sea below, an octopus waves hello. Fishes falling with the tide. Sea turtles swim side by side. Hush, little baby, don't you cry. I'll sing you an ocean lullaby. Snuggle down and eyes shut tight. Starfish light shines oh so bright. And out there in the sea so blue, there's a baby just like you. So hush, little one, don't make a peep. Shark baby is fast asleep. Hush, little baby, say good night. Jellyfish dancing in moonlight. So hush, little baby, close your eyes. Time to go, baby, good night. The wheels on the train go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the train go round and round all night long. The engine on the train goes chug, 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 chug. The engine on the train goes chug, chug, chug all night long. The steam from the train goes shush, 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 shush. The steam from the train goes shush, shush, shush all night long. The bird in the tree is fast asleep, fast asleep, fast asleep. The bird in the tree is fast asleep all night long. The stars in the sky, they shine so bright, shine so bright, shine so bright. The driver stops the train and says good night. Time for bed.
Work, work, work. Working's lots of fun. Work, work, work. Till the job gets done. A little bit of hard work goes a long way. So let's get to work. Okay, if you want something, you have got to try and work real hard for the thing you'd like. Work, work, work. Working's lots of fun. Work, work, work. Till the job
are done at the end of the day, you'll find that helping people leaves you feeling great. And even though the day was long, it's something you enjoyed. You saw it through to the end, and you'll get your reward. Work, work, work. Working's lots of fun. Work, 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 till the job gets done. That little bit of hard work went a long way, 'cause now you've got that thing you want. Okay. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Dig, dig, splash, splash, splash. All together now, all together now. Dig, dig, splash, splash, splash. There's nothing to be scared of, don't be afraid. Playing in the water here with all your friends. Ready, steady, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Paddling together in the sea. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Dig, dig, splash, splash, splash. All together now, all together now. Dig, dig, splash, splash, splash. With a bucket and a spade sitting in the sand, we can make some castles building with our hands. Counting all the seashells, 1, 2, 3. We all love our day at the beach. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. Dig, dig, splash, splash, splash. All together now, all together now. Dig, dig, splash, splash, splash. We will have a picnic sitting on the sand, cooling down with ice cream melting in our hands. Counting all the little fish, 1, 2, 3. We all love our day at the beach. Everybody's got a name. Everybody's got a name. My name is Sammy. I'm your babysitter today. Everybody's got a name. So what's your name? My name is Mia. M-I-A. My name is Ollie. O-L-L-I-E. My name is Ella. E-L-L-A. Everybody's got a name. Everybody's got a name. Some names are different, some names are the same. Everybody's got a name. So what's your name? My name is Mia. M-I-A. His name is Max. M-A-X. My name is Buster. B-U-S-T-E-R. Everybody's got a name. Everybody's got a name. Some names are different, some names are the same. Everybody's got a name. So what's your name? Jumping, 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 jumping round the room. Look out the window, shall we jump on the moon? Helmets on, space boots too. Buckle up, we'll be there soon. Get in the spaceship, close the door. Come on, what are you waiting for? Ready, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Zoom, zoom, zoom to the moon, moon, moon. Get in my spaceship, we'll be there soon. Jump, jump, it's like a 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Zoom, 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 jumping on the moon. Hop, 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 we just can't stop. Jump, jump, it's like a trampoline. Jump, jump, I'm like a kangaroo. Jump, jump, I can jump so high. Jump, jump, and you can too. I want to thank you, thank you, thank you every day. I want to thank you, thank you. I just want to say thank you. Thank you to Mommy for always being kind. She's really, really nice to me all of the time. And thank you to Ella and Ollie for always being happy to play with me. I want to thank you, thank you, thank you every day. I want to thank you, thank you. I just want to say thank you. Thanks to Chase and Louie for being my best friends. When we're together, the fun never ends. And thanks to Baby Max for making silly faces. And thank you to Buster for driving us to wonderful places. I want to thank you, thank you, thank you every day. I want to thank you, thank you. I just want to say thank you. And sometimes I'm less happy and that's okay, 'cause I know that you're all here to put the smile back on my face. I want to thank you, thank you, thank you every day. I want to thank